These are Oreo cake and it's only made using a microwave, and they are so delicious and so easy to make. I'll show you how to make it. First, we're gonna need 3 packets of this Oreo. We're gonna crush them using this roller. Now throw them into a bowl. Four tablespoons of oil. 4 tablespoons of water. 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. 1½ teaspoon of baking powder. 1 egg. Now we're gonna mix it. And finally, we're gonna add some of these chocolate chips. Then we're gonna mix it again. We're gonna put it in microwave for about 1 minute and 30 seconds. And finally, we can top it off with some vanilla ice cream. But this is optional. Now we are going to put some of these colored sprinkles. If I can tell you how it tastes like, it was like a combination of hot and cold. Hot, cold and sweet. I don't know what else, but it's good. It is very good. If you want more sweet, you can always put condensed milk.